Oh, welcome to Monday, this crazy crypto market, and we're seeing Bitcoin back above $110,000. We're seeing the US debt is ballooning, and we're seeing the altcoins are on a very nice trajectory to the upwards, and governments are entering more and more the crypto space. All the latest news in today's show on Vitaly Dubin Crypto. Like and subscribe on the channel. Let's dive right into it, guys. So what we are seeing right now is Bitcoin, after on Friday falling from $111,000 to $107,000, it was just a little bit of retest of the previous all-time high. Nothing major of a dip happened because we are climbing higher right now and gaining way back the momentum to the upside. So what happened on Friday, because of the concerns of June 1st, 50% tariffs on European Union by President Trump, we are now seeing that President Trump agrees to delay 50% tariffs on European Union until July 9, and the markets are climbing back again to the upside. So it's a very volatile market, of course, but let's take a look at what is happening right now in the news. We are seeing the legendary investment hedge fund manager Hugh Henry just said he's going to sell his house for $20-30 million and he's going to buy $10 million of Bitcoin because it's going to $1 million. We're seeing that the $7 trillion Charles Schwab CEO says Bitcoin and crypto buying is coming for 37 million clients. Institutions are moving fast. We're seeing the $10 trillion BlackRock is saying Bitcoin could replace the dollar as the next reserve currency, and they're recommending a 2% allocation to all institutions. Just think about the magnitude of the capital if 2% allocation will be done to all institutions. This is insane. $5.7 trillion UBS says is just getting active in Bitcoin at all-time highs. Big money is not even here yet. We're going so much higher. So the giant UBS is into Bitcoin. We see US Treasury Secretary Bessent says the United States is going big on digital assets, and passing the stablecoin bill is just the start. And if you guys don't know, the stablecoin bill will create this more demand for coins such as USDC and USDT because it's going to settle trillions of dollars, and according to US government, is going to create the dollar more strong. We see Japan plans a $900 billion yen emergency US tariff relief package. So more liquidity is coming to the market, and more liquidity is coming to the market, the better it is for the market, right? We're seeing European Union, US is trying to reach this amazing 0-to-0 tariff deal, signaling for swift trade negotiations. Of course, this is going to be good for the markets if they're going to reach this kind of a trade deal. Former PayPal president says all assets will settle on a massive scale on Bitcoin. Just think about how much more, even right now, the billionaire Jack Dorsey is integrating his point of sale machines, the Lightning Network of Bitcoin, how much more valuable Bitcoin is going to be as a settlement layer for different types of transactions. We're seeing different countries like Pakistan, federal government officially started mining Bitcoin according to Bloomberg, and the hash wars are just beginning. Those who are mining Bitcoin, the countries mining Bitcoin. We're seeing a company similar to MicroStrategy, 21 CEO, says his company could raise billions and buy 1 million Bitcoin. 1 billion Bitcoin is about 5% of the supply. The supply shock is coming, Bitcoin to be positioned more. So that's why I believe Bitcoin can reach 150K this cycle. It can reach that because of the bullishness of what we are seeing the next leg to the upside. We're seeing Katie Wood of ARK Invest called Solana anti-fragile and highlights its low cost and agility. So Solana sitting currently right now comfortably at $178, could reach this cycle potentially $1,000. Think it can happen? Just like Ethereum hit more than $1,000 back in January of 2021. Well, we're here. Solana is definitely a major player with all of these different launches happening on Solana. We're seeing $10 billion Bitwise says the 4-year Bitcoin cycle is dead. There will be an overwhelming amount of capital coming to Bitcoin, suggesting that there is going to be prolonged cycle. Now, I personally do not believe it's going to be broken, the 4-year cycle. I think we're still on track somewhere in this year 2025 to be topping out, but we may be prolonging this cycle. Time will tell, because the most dangerous forward in investing is this time is gonna be the same as the last time, and it's never the same. It's a bit different, right? We see Michael Saylor continue to buy more and more Bitcoin. I only buy Bitcoin with money I cannot afford to lose. That's what he said. Oh my God, $62 billion sitting Michael Saylor. This is incredible. How much he's profitable right now, $21.8 billion in profit. And he said he's gonna be buying Bitcoin even beyond $1 million. We see Hype, Hyperliquid, rose to $38 since April. This is an amazing move for Hype, showcasing its strengths. It rose by 300%. Wow. And this because it's being used by billionaires. I mean, take a look at this. We're seeing that trader James Wynn just closed his $1 billion Bitcoin short at a massive loss of $27.9 million. Just lost $27.9 million trying to bet on the short side for Bitcoin. Ouch. Very much ouch. To not play with high leverage like that. It will get you wrecked. But according to the billionaire Chamas Palapitaya, is talking about this big beautiful bill that the presidency of the Trump administration is now creating this tax cuts, and according to him, this is going to lead to even more ballooning of the US debt to even higher levels. And because it's going to balloon to even more higher levels, the other governments that hold US debt are going to ditch it, because right now the interest rates are increasing on a 10, 20, 30-year US debt. The other governments do not want to participate. They ditch the US debt, and guess what they're going to buy? More gold and more Bitcoin. So that is the talk of the town. That is for the chess. Now, lastly, I want to say that the vodka coin named Shot on Solana is going to be listed on not just LBank but MEXC coming up, and afterwards on the Gate. So that can create some nice marketing push for this coin to the next level. So I'm gonna be watching out that. Of course, it's meme coin. It's don't take any financial advice watching this channel, because for informational purposes only, and anything in crypto can happen. But this is what I know, and I'm closely eyeing this meme coin and holding it myself, this meme coin, for the longer term. Okay, so that is what I have for you guys today on this video. I hope that you have a fantastic day, and subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna see you in the next video update.